All right, guys, I just wanted to show you something that I've been showing to a lot of new developers who are joining our network because still so many people don't realize how good these LLMs are at generating code and how big of an impact they can make for you to get development work done, get scaffolding done, build models, controllers, migrations, front end views, you name it. So let's just do this together. So I want to build an admin panel in React, make it dark mode with minimalist UI, minimalist clean UI. I want to have a nice dashboard, a side nav, a top bar, and cool statistics. So this is not really what you would ever do when you're actually building a project, but it goes to show how fast you can just get the start of a project going. And oftentimes you're getting into an existing project and you do need to build out a side nav. You do need to build some dashboard tables. And the reality is AI is just better at doing this than you are going to be. I mean, yes, you could write cleaner code, and that's always the argument. But this is very functional, fine front-end code for any project. As long as you break things into components and don't do these massive files, you're going to have manageable code. It's going to work great. So, here we go. Boom. Look at this. This is a one-shot dashboard. The side nav collapses. We've got the highlighting here. We've got a search bar. We've got notifications. Dark mode doesn't work. Fix the dark mode button to shift things to light mode when I click it. Let's get this done. Let's ask it to get this done. It's a feature the client wants, and we want to make sure that the dark mode works. So Claude is working away and getting this going for us. Boom. Let's go, Claude. Get it done. It's really cool. It just edits the correct parts of the file these days. It's almost like it's like prompting itself to identify which parts need to be changed. So then it just goes in and deletes and rewrites each of those parts. So it's really much more efficient in that sense at editing large files these days. So yeah, this is working away. One other thing while this is working, 25% of the winter batch, 95% of lines of code are LLM generated for Y Combinator. This is huge. These guys are grinding. They've got a few months to get their products to market, and they're using AI to launch their products and get them to market. So if you're not embracing this stuff, you're just going to fall behind. So we can see Claude's still working. I mean, we're taking a chance here. This could not work, but I think it'll work. It does seem to be hallucinating a little bit on the editing. Feels like it could have just done this a little faster, but so we were unable to preview it now. Exactly. So, but you can see it basically added a dark mode state. It created the toggle dark mode and switched it to a sun icon. All of this stuff, when you're running it locally, it seems like we're missing a semicolon somewhere. Classic. But you can see that you basically got the main setup of an admin panel here that you can build on. So main takeaway here, guys, make sure we're embracing these AI tools. Think AI first. Pay for the premium version of these tools. Use these constantly as you're writing software. Clients care about the speed of being able to deliver. Yes, you need to be careful on the login that you're handling your bearer token, your JWT, whatever it might be, in a secure way. But rendering views, building the admin panel, people care about functionality. They don't care about whether you're using SCSS or Tailwind or, all of this, it's not writing bad code. It's writing, like, as far as Tailwind goes, this is how a view looks. And if you want it broken into further components, which I wouldn't want this as one file. I would want the side nav and the top nav to maybe be their own component with whatever is displayed in that page as its own set of components, right? So, but you just prompt it that way and you get the product you're looking for. So really great stuff, guys. Hope you're excited about this and just see how much potential there is. I mean, look at that animation that the chart has out of the box as we load this. I mean, that's awesome. That's awesome. Almost none of our projects have that great animation. It just added out of the box, So really cool stuff. Yeah, time to get back to building, guys. So hopefully you can use these tools and build even faster. Cheers.